Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Sullivan, Missouri, home to SLP Lighting. For nearly 60 years, SLP Lighting has been your lighting solutions partner, illuminating the industry with quality and innovation. Their dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure lighting components are always available and reliable. Supported by their sales, customer service, engineering, and marketing professionals in Fenton, Missouri, SLP delivers exceptional expertise and customer support. SLP's lighting mission is to be an essential partner in the lighting industry, designing, manufacturing, and marketing high-performance lighting components and solutions. Their success is built on strong collaboration across engineering, manufacturing, and strategic partnerships. The SLP engineering team continually advances alongside emerging light technologies. Each product is engineered to maximize performance using the latest innovations. With on-site resources including a heat lab, IP test booth, IK testing, and goniometer, SLP ensures every solution meets the highest standards. Across multiple facilities and with over 50 injection molding presses, SLP provides full-service contract manufacturing, from precision parts to large components, utilizing advanced thermoplastics and metalworking. Their pour-in-place gasket technology enhances durability, while vacuum metallizing creates brilliant finishes. Using 3D modeling, their engineers optimize each design for performance and cost efficiency. Creative Lumens Lighting, a subsidiary of SLP Lighting, located in Troy, Michigan, specializes in custom LED board production for any fixture design. SLP Lighting, delivering cutting-edge solutions to meet the evolving needs of the lighting industry. Visit them at slplighting.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.